Pozdrav ljudi, dobrodošli u još jednu epizodu Story About My Uncle. Ne, nije on zapucao video, ja sam zapucao.
As I entered the chasms, it struck me how much darker it was in there. The shadows were black as ink, and although I tried not to be afraid, I couldn't help but shiver. Was it the darkness that frightened the villagers as well, or was it something else?
Nisam ni znao da može se upali, nisam ni znao da može se upali ona biljka, ali eto izgleda da može. Dobra. Ne smijem se zajebam, moram ozbiljno da igram, šta ja radim zapravo. Možda padam nešto radim. Haos. Moramo da nađemo ovdje ono malu ludaču, ja mislim. Šta je tamo? Ja trebam da idem tamo ili? Sam ja bio tamo. Znači ovo skopao jaja pa se onda pretvorio neke žabe. Znači ti ljudi su frog, aha, zato on je tražio žablja jaja. Možda ih on i napravio. I šta onda opet se skupe kao neko jajce. Mogu da kliknem ja.
Tell me something else you did with Fred.
Well, early one summer morning, Fred took me down to the lake to watch the mayflies. Everything was still and quiet. The larvae floated on the lake's surface and slowly transformed into beautiful mayflies. Fred told me that they had been living on the bottom of that lake for a whole year, and that they would only live as adults for one single day.
That's sad. What if the only day you were out of the water was a rainy day?
That would be sad indeed.
Dobra. Idemo nastavljamo da glubimo Spidermana. Pa imamo tamo još jedan cvetićak. Šta ste meni osvetili tu zapravo? Ima neka reč. Tamo niži. Dobro, ne kontam šta mi ti reči pomože, što mi nije jasno. Ja nemam pojma šta piše tu. Nema veze, idemo dalje, idemo.
Maddie?
Još, gdje je Maddie? Tu si Maddie.
I'm glad you came. Sorry about back there. I just get so frustrated. They cling so desperately to what they know, won't ever do anything new. It feels better when Fred is around, but...
I told Madeline I didn't mind, and I asked her what she was doing with the book.
Oh, this? These writings? It's like a secret language. They are done by people who left the village long ago. They're called the Strays, but no one wants to talk about them. I started translating their language with help from a stray book that Fred found. This one says, "Don't move when the eye is open," I think. I wonder what it means. Whatever. We should get going. Why don't you take me on your back? It'll be faster if you carry me. I used to piggyback on Fred all the time. Turn around and I'll hop up.
Oh, ajde.
You're not going to drop me, right?
Koristi tu knjigu da meni prevedeš vamo
Let's
ovo.
go.
Madeline climbed up on my back, and with the suit on, I could barely feel the extra weight.
Što sam opet palio. Ajde, prevedi. Ne služiš ničemu, Maddie, brate. Ničemu ne služiš. Ne služiš. Dobro.
The winding, narrow tunnels felt like they were closing in on me. They were oddly long and twisting, almost like someone or something had dug them out. With Maddie on my back, I had to be careful not to bump her head on the ceiling.
Dobre. Za malo.
Farewell, old life. Let us start anew. The Strays were ordinary people living in the village long ago. They disagreed with the old traditions and left to form their own village, or they were thrown out for misbehaving. The stories differ a bit.
Seemingly bottomless pits loomed below us, everywhere in the cave. The further we got, the more I felt like what faint light existed down there was getting fainter. I was really glad that I wasn't alone.
Pa još nešto piše.
Beware. Of what?
Se pazimo. Biće neko čudovište. A možda i budu ti seljaci što su živjeli tu, što je vam ništa. Ti si tu. Ne znam za što to služi. To je sigurno kao nešto opcionalno, to ne moram i da radim. Ali ako naletim u radit, nije problem.
What was that? I never heard a creature sounding as terrifying, and I imagined it wouldn't be happy about visitors.
Dobro. Znači ima neko čudovište, izvučalo mi kao neki ogroman zmaja, ne? A neki ljudi. Ne mogu tamo doći. Aha. Tu možda ima nešto korisno. What the fuck?
You really missed Fred, didn't you?
Yeah, I sure did. I used to go to my uncle's house every single day after school to check if he was home. I loved it when he was. I got to help him with his inventions, and he told me stories of his adventures.
Like you and me, Dad.
Oh, yes. My mother didn't like it, though. She didn't want me to be there at all. Called it too dangerous. I didn't understand why then. It made me upset.
But Fred and Grandma were brother and sister. Why did they fight?
They weren't fighting, really. They were just different from each other. I longed for the time when I would be old enough to follow along on one of Uncle Fred's expeditions. But my mother never let me go willingly. Fred assured her that it would be all right, but she never seemed to stop worrying.
Ne. Dobro. Znači, Fred je tu bio. Na dobrom sam putu. Šta tamo ima, nisam pogledao. Šta je ovo sad? What the fuck? What?
See that glowing plant over there? I bet something will happen if you use your grapple on it.
Ovo. Ko ona misli? Ona misli na ovo.
Told you so.
Ja već znam to što se priš pametno. Ona meni kao je. Told you so, sam stilju. Ništa, ali idemo dalje.
It is really dark down there. You're not scared, are you? 'Cause I'm not.
Nisi, malo si pišnulo u gaće samo i to je to. Sad mi stvara put kao. Sad za posluži nečemu. Ima tu nešto. Se ugasi povremeno, vratno. Ne mogu da hodim. Ja, kad mi se ovako ugasi. Fail. Brzo dok svijetli. Sam ubao. Ubao sam malo sutra. Za sve moram iz početka. Bravo. Gdje se skočio? Ja sam zapravo odlično skočio. Ovo je super. Malo skratim. Znao sam ja da će to se desiti, da sam to i uradio. Ne, nisi mi trebao tamo da idem, kakav sam ja pajser.
Fred has been with my people since the first villager was born. He helped us build the village, taught us how to speak, and helps us with everything. He taught me how to read and write as well. That's how I could learn to read the writing on the walls.
Znači tu. Evo. Tu si znači mane. Ne trebam. Daj. Ne gledaj. Gdje da idem bre?
Whoa, dude. I think I figured out what that writing was going on about. Maybe we shouldn't charge right out in front of that thing. Remember what it said. Don't move when the eye is open.
Ne mrdam. Ne smijem se mrdam dok je oko otvoreno. Znači ne mrdam. Brzo. Koja akcija je? Evo će otvorit se. Tu. Kako to je, jako svetleće oko ima. Ne trebam. Brzo. A sam failovo, nisam dobro. Failovo sam. Da me vratio lik, brat. Ne, mrdaj. Uzmem mi si ruke. Gdje se trebam da idem? Oooo, vidio se. Opet sam failo. Brže. Znači sljedeći idem tamo gore. I on... Aha, ima još gore. Ili sam već tu bio? Ne, nisam tu bio. Trebam još gore da idem tamo da prođem. Ajde, beži više. Nema ništa iskuliraj. Ta muzika te još loži, brat. Brže.
Yes, we did it! You're awesome. I knew you had it in you.
Znam da sam awesome.
That was close. We had made it through, and I felt like nothing could stand in our way of finding Fred.
Biće da je to. Kraj ove epizode. Ovo je bilo malo interesantnije. Nije više tako monotono, samo skačem. Premalo akcije.
Oh, another one. This one says, "Welcome home."
Welcome home.
Whoa!
What?
This is it! This is where the Strays built their village. And what a beautiful place they chose. Just look at the sky. It is so big.
To je to, ljudi. Kraj treće epizode. Jako mi se sviđa igra, znači ta avantura i ta napetost sada na ovoj situaciji. To je to, ljudi, napravit ću prevodi za ovu epizodu. Za prošlu još nisam napravio, napravit ću večeras. Tako da nemojte se da brinete. Hvala što ste gledali i pozdrav.